Welcome to the Explainer. Okay, today we are diving into a really fascinating piece of tech that honestly solves a massive headache for small and medium-sized businesses. We're looking at how a platform called pfSense brilliantly bridges this huge gap between, vulnerable consumer-grade routers and those wildly expensive commercial security appliances. So if you've ever felt totally trapped between leaving your network completely exposed or paying literally thousands of dollars in licensing fees, well, this Explainer is exactly what you need. Let's take a quick look at our agenda for today. We're going to cover the SMEs security dilemma, introduce you to pfSense, check out its enterprise features, look at a real-world transformation, and finally, go over some realities and a concrete migration plan. All right, jumping right into Section 1, the SME security dilemma. Specifically, we're looking at that painful gap between vulnerability and high costs. Look, we all know network security is absolutely non-negotiable these days, but enterprise-grade gear? That carries a massive financial burden. So let me ask you a very direct question. Is your business running on a consumer-grade router right now? The kind you just grab off the shelf at a local electronics store? Because if you are, I've got some bad news. Your network is likely way more exposed than you realize. Those consumer devices simply don't have the sophisticated intrusion detection, advanced firewall rules, or traffic monitoring that a modern business absolutely needs to stay safe. And this right here perfectly illustrates the stark contrast in the market. On one hand, commercial firewalls usually bundle their hardware and software licensing together. This basically locks you into expensive, ongoing annual subscription fees that can easily total thousands of dollars over just a couple of years. But on the other hand, we have our alternative, pfSense. This is completely free, open-source software that you can run on standard hardware you can pick up super cheaply. It's a total disruptor, literally giving you zero-cost enterprise network security. Which brings us to Section 2, introducing pfSense, the zero-cost enterprise solution. So what exactly is it? By definition, pfSense is a free and open-source firewall platform. It's built on the incredibly stable FreeBSD operating system, and it's actually been in active development since 2004 under the Apache 2.0 license. Developed by a company called Netgate, pfSense basically takes standard server hardware, or honestly even just a cheap dedicated mini PC, and transforms it into a highly trusted, full-featured firewall, router, and VPN appliance. It literally takes hardware you already control and turns it into an absolute fortress. Now, the crucial thing to understand here is that this is not just some budget compromise for cash-strapped SMEs. Not at all. pfSense has this incredibly strong, proven track record. It's widely adopted by large businesses, major educational institutions, and super demanding enterprise environments. And the best part? Running it on your own hardware means you keep complete in-house control over your network infrastructure, rather than trusting your sensitive data to some third-party cloud service. Okay, let's move on to Section 3, enterprise features included, and the powerful out-of-the-box capabilities you get. Now, I know these might sound like a bunch of technical buzzwords, but they represent real, direct cost savings and massive operational upgrades for your business. Take the built-in VPN server support for IPsec and OpenVPN, for example. If you have remote workers, commercial vendors will often nickel and dime you with extra licensing fees for every single connected user. But with pfSense, that enterprise-grade VPN functionality is built right in, totally for free. Plus, you get detailed logging, multi-WAN support for redundant internet connections, so you literally never go offline, and this awesome package system that lets you bolt on extra security tools like intrusion detection right into the platform. Let's ground this tech jargon in everyday reality for a second. Take traffic shaping and QoS controls. What does that actually mean for you? Well, it simply means you can tell your network to ensure vital business applications, like, say, your team's critical Zoom calls, always get priority bandwidth during business hours. So if someone is downloading massive files in the background, your video call won't even stutter. It keeps your business running smoothly no matter how congested the network gets. All right, Section 4, a real-world transformation. Let's see what this looks like in practice. Picture this, a typical 20-person company. Before making the switch, they were risking all of their sensitive company data on a flimsy consumer-grade router. They had absolutely zero VPN capability, so their remote staff were either completely blocked from accessing internal resources, or even worse, they were accessing them in a totally insecure way. But then they decided to completely change their approach by deploying pfSense on a dedicated mini PC, which, by the way, cost them maybe a few $100s up front. Their IT consultant was able to give management a proper stateful firewall. Practically overnight, they secured their growing remote workforce with robust VPN access, they optimized their network with traffic shaping, and, for the first time ever, they gained total visibility into their network traffic through detailed logging. And they did the whole shebang with zero ongoing software licensing fees. Now, you aren't boxed into a single path here. As you can see, you've got options. You can totally go with the pfSense Community Edition, which is completely free if you're comfortable managing your own hardware and leaning on the community forums for support. Or if you want a turnkey solution, you can opt for the paid pfSense Plus Edition that runs on Netgate's official hardware and comes with their official support. But here's the kicker. Both of these options are still significantly cheaper and way more flexible than getting locked into a commercial firewall vendor with their crazy high annual licenses. Okay, let's wrap things up with Section 5, Realities and the Migration Plan. Time for some no free lunch transparency. I want to be absolutely transparent with you right now. pfSense is not plug-and-play like the Wi-Fi router you have at home. It requires genuine networking knowledge to configure correctly. A misconfiguration could actually expose your network rather than protect it, and we definitely don't want that. Plus, because a firewall is such a critical piece of infrastructure, you really must invest in reasonably reliable, dedicated hardware. Please do not just repurpose some dusty, unreliable old PC you found in a supply closet. And finally, you have to be committed to doing regular firmware updates to patch any new vulnerabilities. But if you're ready to make the jump, here is a clear, actionable migration plan for you. Step 1. Completely document your existing firewall rules and VPN configs so absolutely nothing falls through the cracks. Step 2. Test pfSense thoroughly in a non-production parallel environment. You really want to make sure your remote team members can test their VPN access before it goes live. And Step 3. Schedule a dedicated maintenance window for the actual cutover, just to keep business disruption to an absolute minimum. Now, you might be thinking, how long is all of this going to take? Well, depending on your network's complexity and whether you decide to bring in an experienced IT consultant to handle the initial setup, a full migration to pfSense is actually incredibly achievable for most SMEs in just 1 to 3 weeks. Ultimately, when you look at the functionality you get per dollar spent, pfSense truly shines. It's backed by 2 decades of active development, and it delivers exceptional value and long-term scalability. Features like multi-WAN support and high availability mean it's going to comfortably serve your growing business network needs for years and years to come. Honestly, it offers a genuine enterprise-grade upgrade path without the crippling licensing costs. It really is the definitive free enterprise firewall platform for SMEs who are willing to put in the effort to set it up right. Which brings us to a really crucial final thought. Once your robust new firewall is up and running, are you actually ready to monitor all the threats it's silently blocking in the background? Well, next time, we're going to build directly on today's foundation by exploring Wazoo. It's an incredible, free, open-source platform designed specifically to detect and respond to those exact threats. You really won't want to miss it. So make sure you subscribe to Uplatz to continue our journey through this amazing software series for SMEs. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will see you next time.